Hey, it's Jeff from MASC by Jeff Chastain. I've been getting some questions about how to use the Kuschelbar for hair straightening in addition to beard straightening. So I'm gonna go over how to do your hair really quick. I don't have any product in my hair today. I just sort of let it dry like this so that you can see what it's like if I don't do anything to it. It gets a little bit frizzy, a little bit curly, not super curly, but it's more just about the texture not being that great. So what I'm gonna do is use a little bit of the Glory Hold Hair and Beard Sculptor, which should be available again, hopefully in about 3 or 4 weeks. I'm not putting that much in, just a little bit, rub it. Just put it through, and this is gonna give it like a little more grip so that it'll hold the hair better. Now I take the Kuschelbar, and you can see I'm just doing it really slow here. And the steam that you're seeing is from the product. It's not actually smoke, not to be alarmed. You can see by brushing my hair slowly how quickly that straightens out. Then when I'm done, I'll take just a tiny bit more product here and just run it through so that it stays right where I want it. So that's how to do your hair in under a minute. Let me know if you have any more questions. Go to the website www.maskbyjeffchastain.com to check out the Kuschelbar and other products. Thanks.